Hi there, I'm Alexei from Marketsy.ai, and I want to show you how to actually create a store from scratch using Marketsy.ai. And everything starts from our main page where you can see this input, and this is how to start creating a store. So you need to enter your idea or products you're gonna sell or anything what is associated with your store by in your opinion. So I would like to start courses web shop which sells, let's say, some data about how to tackle procrastination. So let's call it anti-procrastination courses. Hit enter and let's wait a couple of seconds. So while we are waiting, it prepares some data to fill the template. So some images, some text, etc. are created for you. So here it is how the first looks like. So here is a simple template which you can edit a bit later. So it consists of some hero section, some icon advantages, and some products and categories. Okay, I have to fill some fields here and select a template to play around with that, and I think I'm pretty happy with the first one. Select the dark or white theme, play with colors. I think this, yeah, green looks nice. Maybe select a font and yeah, pretty, that's it. All right, so we have some switcher of categories, etc. And don't forget to like the store, and I definitely like it. All right, what should I do next? We can see this banner. That's we are just a few steps left, and just click continue. Yeah, we have to wait a couple of seconds. That's it. We've created. We actually attach this store to our account. So here is some introductory text, and it says that we got 5 AI coins, which we can spend on some data creation for our store, some marketing materials, or so for product materials, etc. So we'll take a look at this a bit later. So let's go to creation my first product, and it's gonna be physical or digital. It's gonna be digital one for sure, and I would like to call it 12 steps against procrastination. All right, and let's say it's $99. I can click just create, and it will lead me to the next step where I have to fill all the data about the product, some like images, full and short descriptions, etc. But I would like to create and generate content for this product. So let's take a look how it works. Yeah, we have to wait a couple of seconds while the system creates some content for that. Cool. We have our name, our price, actually categories, selected category for the product. Let's say it's okay. Self-improvement is pretty cool. And generated image for that, which we can update or create another image using another model a bit later. Also, it has some description which I was not, I didn't create, so it was generated automatically. Okay, I think it's pretty nice description. Let's create a full product description. I would like to generate it using AI actually without writing it for now. So let's ask it to include some additional features. For example, include a bullet list. with main tactics to tackle procrastination. I think here is a spelling mistake, so my bad. Okay, okay. Generate. Waiting a couple of seconds while it's composing our text. Boom. Cool. It has some more interesting data than the previous one because it has more rich editor here. So 12 steps against procrastination, easy to follow. Main tactics. Actually, here are our main tactics which are gonna be described in the course. Yeah. So pretty cool. I have to not to forget to accept this text. Now add a file which I am gonna sell, and yeah, this course, some optional fields like SKU and affiliate link if it's an affiliate product, but I don't have anything of that, and save this product. Cool. It asks me to create the content for this product right away. So okay, let's do that. And we are on the marketing page. It suggests us to generate something. Okay, I would like to. Generate content for a product. So I have to select a product here and click generate. Let's take a look what it's gonna look like. All right. So it looks like a social media post, right? So actually it is a social media post which I can copy or post to X, for example, right away. So yeah, it looks nice actually. So I have to click a couple of buttons, just this one and post, and that's it. And I posted a marketing material for a product which I actually have just created. Looks nice. Let's close this one, but you can actually book a free call with us to get some help to set up your store. So let's get back to our products now, and I would like to unpublish all of the products which are demo products. You actually can turn them into actual one by editing them, but I don't want to do so, and I want to have only my own created product. So next step, enable payouts. I have two options here. It's Stripe and PayPal, and both of them are pretty straightforward. For Stripe, I have to follow simple steps which are provided by Stripe, and it uses Stripe Connect, and both of the payment methods works this way. So we don't handle any of your funds, and everything is paid directly to your account. So as soon as you set up your payouts here, you will get your payments from your customers without any interruptions from our side. So we have to select a country where we are, and then start a Stripe Connect flow. So I'm gonna show it here because it's pretty simple and the same for any other project. So next step, which I have to do, is publishing my store, and there are two options of that: host it on a subdomain or connect a custom domain to my store. So for the first one, I can start right away without any additional setting up. I can just edit or leave this slug as it is. Or if I would like to have a custom domain, which we really recommend to have, because if you have a custom domain, it gives your website more credibility from your customers, and also it starts to gain more authority. So by the end of the day, it's more useful and more profitable way to have a store on a dedicated domain name. So if I would like to have a custom domain, I have to buy it from any of domain register. We have a link where we can find a list of them. So then copy and paste our domain here, set up a couple of DNS records, which is pretty simple, and you can check out how to do so in our another video. It should be somewhere here on the on this one. Okay, let's go to a subdomain. I'm pretty happy with this slug. I have to check this box that I agree with the terms and conditions. All right, and publish the store. Cool. Right now the store is published. We can see the my product here. So let's open this in incognito mode, right, to see what we have. So go to the product, add to cart, right? Okay, I'm not able to do it to check out because I haven't set up my payout. So as soon as it's done, it's gonna be possible to purchase this product. So here's some content which was created for this product. So looks cool, I think. So let's get back to the store itself, and right here we can see this sections, add section, this show block or hide block button. So basically it's the template editor in which is useful if you would like to make some adjustments for of your main page. So for example, let's add a section here. It might be something pretty simple like button, text, or image, or any of the complex ones. For example, some review grid if you have some reviews and would like to show them on your web page, or maybe some selected products, or frequently asked questions. So for example, let's add a contact form called get in touch. We can leave subtitle as it is. Background might be this one. Okay, it's too bright, I guess. So yeah, this one is pretty, yeah. Yeah, it's so difficult to select a proper background. I think this one will work. Okay, close it. And here it is. We can see a good looking form here, and you can combine your blocks in any way, move them in any direction and find your unique style. For example, I would like to do something like this, but yeah, I'm not sure it was a good idea. I can edit all of this as well. So select templates, etc., etc. So how it looks like depends on upon you, but you don't have million of blocks or settings, but it's not a disadvantage, but it's rather an advantage because you don't have to spend hours and hours to adjust tiny things to make your website look good, but it looks great out of the box. So I think that's it. So if you have any questions, feel free to message us, and have good sales. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.